Welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into an incredibly special topic, the waiting game. 5 transformative prayers for love and connection. As we navigate the intricate journey of love and relationships, there are times when finding and keeping love can feel like a waiting game. You might find yourself wondering when the right person will enter your life, or questioning how to nurture and preserve the love you already have. It's during these moments that the power of prayer can be deeply comforting and transformative. In this video, we'll explore 5 heartfelt prayers that can help you attract your forever person, strengthen existing bonds, and bring clarity to your path. Whether you're seeking a soulmate or looking to deepen your current connection, these prayers are designed to guide you towards the love you deserve. So let's embark on this spiritual journey together. Remember to stay until the end for a special gift that will enhance your connection with your forever person even more. And don't forget to show your support if you find value in our content. Let's dive in. Prayer 1. Guidance in the journey. Start by asking for divine guidance in finding or maintaining a loving and supportive partner. Express your desire for a connection that complements your values and goals. For instance, you could pray, "Dear God, I come to you today seeking your blessings on my journey to find my forever person. Guide me towards a love that is pure, supportive, and enduring. Help me recognize the qualities that align with my values and aspirations, and lead me to a relationship that brings joy, growth, and companionship." Thank you for hearing my prayer and for guiding me on this path. Prayer 2. Embracing positivity. Next, focus on cultivating positivity and openness in your heart. Let go of any negativity or past hurts that may hinder new connections. Pray for the strength to forgive, heal, and welcome love into your life. Here's a sample prayer. Dear God, I ask for your help in embracing positivity and releasing any negativity that may be blocking my path to love. Help me heal from past hurts and wounds so I can fully open my heart to receive the love that awaits me. Grant me the strength to forgive myself and others, and fill me with the optimism and joy that come from a pure and loving heart. Thank you for your healing touch and for guiding me towards a brighter, more loving future. Prayer 3. Purity of intention. It's essential to approach finding love with a pure heart and clear intentions. Pray for clarity on what you truly seek in a relationship and ask for the courage to pursue it. Here's a sample prayer. Dear God, I come before you with a pure heart and a sincere intention to find my forever person. Help me to have a clear vision of the kind of love and partnership I desire. Give me the courage to follow my heart's calling and to pursue the dreams and aspirations we share. Guide me in making choices that honor my values and lead me towards a love that is both passionate and enduring. Thank you for listening to my prayer and for supporting me on this journey. Prayer 4. Cultivating trust. Building trust is vital for a lasting and fulfilling relationship. Pray for the ability to communicate openly, be reliable and emotionally available for your partner. Here's a sample prayer. Dear God, I ask for your blessings in cultivating trust and emotional connection with my forever person. Help me to be a reliable and honest partner who keeps their promises and shows up consistently. Guide me in communicating my needs and feelings openly and with love. Help me to be emotionally present and supportive, and to create an environment of mutual respect and understanding. Thank you for fostering this sacred bond and for guiding us in building a love that endures. Prayer 5. Patience and faith. Finally, when the path to love seems unclear or the wait feels challenging, turn to prayer for patience and unwavering faith. Remind yourself of your worthiness of love and trust in the divine timing of your journey. Here's a sample prayer. Dear God, I come to you today seeking your comfort and strength in times when the path to love feels unclear or the wait seems too long. Help me to trust in your perfect timing and have faith that my forever person will enter my life when the moment is right. Remind me of my worthiness of love and happiness, and fill me with the hope that comes from knowing you are guiding me every step of the way. Thank you for your constant love and support, and for guiding me towards a future filled with hope and the promise of everlasting love. Remember, the power of prayer lies in its ability to connect you with your inner self and higher power. As you pray, Reflect on the qualities you seek in a partner and the kind of love you want to cultivate. Be patient with yourself and the process, and trust that your forever person will come into your life when the time is right. And now for something special. If you've reached this point in the video, I'd like to share an additional resource with you. As a token of our commitment to helping you on your journey to finding love, I'm offering you a complimentary name of resource. This resource is designed to complement the teachings we've explored today, providing you with practical tools and insights to manifest your forever person. To claim your free name of resource, visit the provided link. This offer is a small gesture of our dedication to supporting you on your path to finding love and creating a deeper connection with your forever person. We believe in the power of prayer and positive thinking, and we hope that this resource will serve as a valuable addition to your spiritual toolkit. Happy manifesting, and remember, your forever person is out there waiting for you, with love and blessings on your journey. Finding your forever person can indeed feel like a waiting game, but one that is filled with hope, anticipation, and the promise of a deep connection. By incorporating these prayers into your daily routine, you not only invite divine guidance into your love life, but also cultivate a positive mindset and strong spiritual connection. Whether you're seeking a new love or looking to strengthen your existing bond, these prayers are a source of strength and comfort. As you continue on your journey, keep these points in mind. Prayer is a powerful tool, so use it often and with an open heart. Trust in the divine timing of your journey and remain patient. Positive thoughts attract positive experiences, so focus on the qualities you want to see in your partner and in yourself. Nurture your existing relationships and be open to new connections. Self-love and acceptance are the foundation of healthy relationships, so work on embracing your true self. Be prepared to let go of the past and embrace the future with optimism. And never lose faith in the promise of a fulfilling and loving partnership. Finding your forever person is a deeply personal and unique experience. While these prayers offer guidance, remember to stay true to your own beliefs and values. Most importantly, believe in the power of prayer and the limitless possibilities that exist in the realm of love. Keep praying, keep believing, and trust that your forever person will find you when the time is just right. I hope these prayers have brought you comfort and guidance on your journey to finding or strengthening your connection with your forever person. Feel free to adapt them to your own beliefs and personal experiences. Remember that the power of prayer lies in your belief and the intention behind your words. As you pray, visualize the kind of love and connection you desire, and trust that the universe is working to bring it to fruition. If you found these prayers helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment below with your thoughts or any other prayers you'd like to share. We'd love to hear from you. And if you want to delve deeper into the topic of attracting your forever person, check out our related videos, which are filled with more insights and guidance. We appreciate your support and wish you all the best in your journey to finding and maintaining a deep, loving connection. May your prayers be answered, and may your forever person bring you endless joy and happiness.